Hello everyone, I'm back again with another styling video. Today I will be showing you guys AliPearl Hair. I really want to get this wig on me as soon as possible because my whole face is beat, but then my hair is not done. So I normally already have the wig on before I start, but today I'm going to put the wig on and I'm not going to do any plucking because you guys already know how I do it. But this is what it's looking like. I plucked it to make it look like how my natural parting would look. And I think it looks really, really good. And then I just styled it. I cut it because this was originally a, let me see, 18-inch wig. But I cut it so it could be a nice, like, kind of sharp cut. And I added some light layering to it as well. So I cut off about like 3 inches. I cut off a nice amount of this hair. But it's okay because this is that. So like I said, this hair is from AliPearl Hair. Inside of it came some eyelashes, a little hair tie bow, which I notice a lot of companies come with, and then this really cute necklace that has a fox on it. I think that this is like a really cute bonus. So yeah, all the links will be down below to AliPearl Hair. I'm loving the texture and the flow. I had it styled on that foam cap, so now we're going to put it on. So this is what the construction is looking like. The lace is a really nice quality. It's like a lace frontal all throughout the front of the wig, and then it has like wefts on the bottom. It comes with a comb on the bottom. It comes with adjustable straps as well as 2 combs on the center, which I like because then you can just add your elastic band to it. And when there's combs up front, that pulls out your edges, I feel like, more. So what I like to do is use this Velcro band. So I start out with my hair in 8 braids. Don't mind, they've been in these braids for a minute now. Then I'm going to put on my wig cap. And what I like to do is get all of my edges out the way. Be sure to check out AliPearl Hair. The quality of the hair is really good and the density is really nice. It's like a perfect amount of hair. You see the ponytail is a really nice natural full-length ponytail, and I love how it looks because I cut it. And I didn't cut it for like any particular reason because the hair was bad or anything. The hair is really good quality, but I cut it because I wanted to have like a sharp blunt cut. And I was in the mood to style hair for some reason. I like styled a lot of hair, so. Yeah, so then I put on my little black band. This helps it to lay flat on my head and not move around or anything. One thing that I'm going to get though is I need to get a comb. So I'm gonna be right back. All right, you guys, and I'm back. But overall, the construction of this wig is really nice. I did straighten it out too. I did straighten it out. There's not a lot of those little like light pieces, which I like. A lot of hair sometimes has like little lighter pieces just because it just does. It was in a factory, I don't know. But this hair is really nice. So what I'm gonna do is put it on to the tightest strap with these adjustable straps. Ooh, and these adjustable straps do not move. They're like hooked, which I like. So the adjustable straps will actually stay in place for once. So I'm gonna put it on to the closest strap that I can get it on. And like the way that the straps are, you see it like hooks, so it literally can't come off, which I really like. So yeah, all the links to AliPearl Hair will be down below. It's really soft. It has a pretty shine and luster to it. I'm going to show you guys once I get it onto my head. So let's see. So all I do is lay it down right there like so. It's looking really natural. And then I pull it down. And that's it. Really, with the Velcro band, it makes it easy. So I'm really happy with how it looks even just like this. Ooh, 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 super nice. I'm going to lower the camera. And what I did was I cut it down to a length where I normally like to keep my hair at, which is like right here, literally. So I cut it pretty good, I say so myself. And you guys can tell it's really pretty hair. It feels so nice and soft. And like the luster and color is like a very natural. It's not too shiny. I like hair that's like that. So yeah, we have the wig on and it's looking bomb, girl. And don't you just like when a hair has like a nice cut to it? That's why I was like, let me cut my hair. Ooh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Ooh. So yeah, let me tell you guys the stats. I don't have it with me, but it's on my laptop, my statistics of the hair. This hair is from AliPearl Hair. All the links will be down below, and it is 18 inches. It is beautiful. It you could put heat on it, no melting or anything. I would straighten it, but it's literally already straightened. But I will just run through it one more time before I do my final styling of this wig. But I'm loving it. You guys see, I will never share with you guys bad hair. So if you need some new hair, or your hair is, you want some good quality, a nice wig, I personally love a good quality wig because you don't have to make the wig yourself and you can already buy it and it's already ready to go. It was really, really long at first though, but I really just wanted to cut it. And I don't do like cutting or styling really on camera like that because I cut it off the wig. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. I mean, off of my head. But yeah, it was really long and I really like to have my haircut to be this length, really. And I like that it's a nice, sharp, blunt cut. The next step we're going to do is just to make it look a little bit more natural. Okay, so what I'm going to do is look in my mirror. That's why you guys see it in the corner. And we're just going to pull this back behind our ears and then take our rat tail comb and make our middle part section. And what I like to do when I have this is just press it down into the Velcro and then kind of yank at it so it really gets into the Velcro. And it's looking really natural. I feel like if I installed an elastic band, that would just be like the cherry on top to make it look super natural. I'm gonna add some pressed powder to it. That's my skin complexion. Cause I really like how this looks. It's already looking super natural, as you guys can tell. All I did was pluck it. The tiniest bit too, not even anything major. So we're going to add our pressed powder. There's not any shedding, minimum, just natural amounts. Like literally, there's just minimal natural shedding, just like your natural hair would shed. And I'm loving how this lace looks. Let's see. I'm loving it. Yeah, I think powder foundation is really all that I need to make my part blended. And what I'm gonna do is take some setting spray and dip it into the powder foundation and put it where this is to really blend it, to really make it look natural. And then I like to press my finger down on it. All the links to AliPearl Hair will be down below. I love this hair. I will never show you guys hair that I don't love. And yeah, I'm going to be wearing this wig in tons and tons of videos. I'm not sure if I want to add concealer though, because I don't normally do the powder foundation. So I'm going to actually add a little bit of my concealer. Whoopsies. Perfection. This wig is perfection. I really do love it though. So super natural. And super duper nice, you guys. Like, it flows, it blows. You can put heat on it. I put 450 degrees heat, you guys saw earlier. Get yourself some new hair from AliPearl Hair. I will have the link down below. It says, "You are the most shining pearl" on the bottom. And it's true. Ooh, if it focuses. You are the most shining pearl, and it's true once you get this hair. So girl, check it out. The link will be down below. Thumbs up for more hair videos. I will keep you guys in check. for your new hair or your new wigs or whatever you need, girl. I'm seriously loving this hair, OMG. Links will be down below. Thumbs up, subscribe for more hair reviews, makeup tutorials, outfit ideas, and check out AliPearl Hair down below and get yourself some new luxurious hair extensions, from wigs to wefts or whatever you want. You can even turn them into clip-ins. Okay, girl? I will catch you in my next one. Bye.
Sativa so strong, I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. New things for them to imitate.